Welcome CRO family, thanks for joining me today, March 20th, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 12.8 cents, up 1.86% with volume down 13.28%. The price is ranging from a high of 13.0 cents and a low of 12.0. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,411,964,000 which is up and a trading volume of 33,405,000 which is down. Etherscan is showing 307,541 holders, up 65. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com, with 44.1%, number 2 is OKX with 11.06%, and number 3 Coinbase with 9.1%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.7 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 200,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir, take care.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.